We've known the families that run Leader for many, many years, both through sugaring and outside of sugaring, and they really treat their customers as though they're family, even if we didn't know them. I'm Russ Lavoie. This is our sugar house in Swanton, Vermont. It's a family-run operation, Lavoie Family Maple. We've been sugaring probably close to 20 years now. Started out with a small barrel evaporator and moved up to a liter half pint and modified a liter half pint to make it a 2x6, and currently we run a liter 30 by 8 foot with a steam away and a liter Springtech single membrane RO. We tap about 2,250 taps right here in Swanton and Highgate. We do it more as a hobby, less as a way of income. The income typically gets flipped right into another project or an upgrade to the operation or a toy if we want a new toy or something. So it's more of a hobby, but on a larger scale than some. We run mainly Leader equipment, being that we're 3 miles down the road from their factory. Our dealer drives by here on almost a daily basis. They go out of their way to help us at a moment's notice. They'll be here. Randy was in our sugar bush on Wednesday afternoon trying to help us figure out what was going on with a releaser that we just purchased this fall. So it's nice to know that you can talk to anybody anytime. They're always willing to help, whether it's with equipment issues, whether it's in the woods, whether it's you have a crazy idea to modify their equipment. So they're always there. They're always willing to help us, and at a minute's notice. Kevin, gave us his cell phone number when we were having issues getting our RO rolling, because we were new to the RO game and we were trying to learn how to operate it and what we needed to do. And he had no issues. Here's my cell phone. Call me anytime. Anything you need, I'll help you over the phone. I'll do what you can. So that to us is worth more than anything, and it's worth sometimes paying an extra $1 or $2 for what we're buying, because we know that the quality's there, the support's there, the fact that we can call on not just our dealer but any of the people down at the factory. Whether it's Fred will take care of us at the front desk if we need him. Doesn't matter who's there, everybody's willing to help, which is nice. And it makes us feel pretty secure knowing that during this time of year when everybody's busy, and we know we're not the biggest operation they work with. We're small compared to most people, but I'm sure we get the same level of care and the same level of support as the guys that are tapping 10, 15, 20,000 taps. And that makes a big difference, especially for a smaller operation like us. So this is our 30 by 8 foot with a liter steam away. And our automatic draw has been the best investment we've made in the whole operation, because it allows whoever's boiling a little bit of free time. You still have to monitor it, but it makes things much easier. Makes it easy for us to boil with 2 people. Typically we boil with 3. Dad mans the canning station, and my brother Ryan does a lot of the boiling with the firing, and he kind of runs the rig, and I keep an eye on the RO and try and keep everything running smoothly. So it's a team effort that could be done with maybe just 1 person, but it's nice to have 2. Without the auto draw, we wouldn't be doing what we do today. So this wood cart that we built is a steel I-beam with a trolley clamp that we were able to repurpose from a job that we found somewhere. We bought the clamp, but we picked up the beam. Some steel we picked up, rebar that we pick up on jobs, and we were able to weld it up with our own ingenuity, I guess. So it all rolls out.